How to use example prompt in GhibliArt AI. Imagine you are about to conjure up a whole new world with the help of GhibliArt AI. Today, we are diving into how to use the example prompts to get the most stunning Ghibli-inspired art. First things first, make sure you are all logged in into GhibliArt platform. It's super straightforward, just like signing into another app you've logged. Now, when you are ready, let's focus on example prompts. These are like a creative spark to light up your imaginative masterpiece. For that, let me show the example prompt. Now tap on this try for free. That will take you to this page where you will see an option for the prompt right over here. And on the prompt, you will see an example prompts. There's transform into the Ghibli style, make it look like Spirited Away, convert to the Totoro style art, and Howl's Moving Castle. So these are the examples. That may give you an idea about how you can use the prompt in this GhibliArt. Similarly, if you want to, what you can do is simply visit the site of Ghibli Studio. You can find it in the Google very easily. Over there, you will see the artworks of the Ghibli. For example, there's an anime called Whisper of the Heart. What you can do is, you can use any of these examples right over here, like transform it into Whisper of the Heart style, and it will make your image look like Whisper of the Heart. So that was a whole idea on how you can use the example prompt in GhibliArt AI. I hope this helped. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.